Hi, welcome to my channel. Kindly watch to the end and leave your comment below. It will help me to improve. Your like and subscribe will enable me to improve, and it will also help me to send you the upcoming videos. Making a flower vase or pot with cement and tiles of your choice is very simple and cheap. You can easily get the leftover tiles in a construction site, or you can even go to dealers and they will give you some. Just choose your design and then you cut it according to the shape you want, the height you want. In this case, I choose to cut my own 30 centimeter length and 24 width. When you are cutting, be careful. Make sure you protect yourself. Cut in a chamfer and make sure you keep it steady. Here I use a PVC 4 inches pipe to keep my own steady. So when you are cutting it, you can use pencil to draw in order to get a fine chamfer. Then make a selection according to the design of the tiles so that it will match. The design will match. Use your tape to bind it together. This is the first binding we're making along line the chamfer. After fixing it, I use a super shaver. It's a silicone just to seal the joint. After doing it, I leave it for some time for it to set. I apply the thin adhesive just for it to bind together with the cement. And I put the styrofoam inside to maintain my shape inside. You can use any one you have. You can even use a already made shape to achieve the whole pot inside. use 1 centimeter gap. I use mortar, cement and sand and water. Mix the ratio of 2 sand and 1 cement. If you don't have mixer, you can use a stick or something strong to turn it. It's not much quantity. And then you pour it carefully inside. Just gentle tap so that the cement can settle, compress. And then I fill the hole inside with sand. Actually, I should have done this before, but in any way, you just have to clean and make sure that there's a binding between the inside and the top, because if the sand stuck there, it will reduce the strength. That's why it should have been better to pour the sand before I pour the mortar. Clean up the excess cement. Then I use ties to get this stored to make sure that it's plumb. After 24 hours, I lose the sets, remove the sand. The styrofoam was a bit stuck inside. I had to cut it for it to come out. Clean the edge. I use a spatula. You can use sandpaper to make it smooth, to remove the rough edges, get it a bit smooth, preparing it for painting. Kindly give me a thumb up to encourage me to support my channel. You can as well subscribe so that you get the next video. I would appreciate if you do that now. Now I have to wash it, wash off the cement. I use the soap and water to clean off the cement. It's now ready. After 15 minutes it dried. Now use white stuff, material, whatever, rag, whatever you can find to wipe it. It's clean. It's now ready for painting. I applied white acrylic paint as base. White acrylic paint as base. After that, I had to apply metallic. Royal Ruby. That's the color. You can choose any color of your choice. Allow it to dry. Allow the paint to dry. You see how it looks? Just give it about 15 minutes for the paint to dry before I can now finally do my potting, putting plant inside. In this case, I use a synthetic plant. You can use natural, whatever you want to use. I use synthetic here, artificial plants. It looks nice. Then apply water. If it's natural, just apply water daily according to the need of the plant. Kindly support my channel, like it, subscribe. Thank you for watching.